So we're here with the HZO. So who are you?
My name is Ryan Moore. I work in the marketing department. HZO is a company that they waterproof electronic devices. We work with manufacturers to help protect their devices from water, from sweat, any sort of corrosion.
So it's submerged, it's waterproof.
Yeah,
right?
Let me turn this on. These have been in here all day.
Is this a real, or did you modify it?
So this is a real Samsung Edge that we purchased and waterproofed ourselves just as a demonstration device. You can see the water actually gets inside of the device, but it's everything on the inside that's protected. There's no coating or anything on the outside, so water can actually get in. You can see the bubbles. Water can get in the device and just drains out the bottom with no problems.
All right, so what are you showing here?
So this is a test that we did. This is a 48-hour salt fog test. Salt fog is very corrosive, as you can see. So after 48 hours, the unprotected iPhone 5S had all this corrosion on the inside of the device. Here in my left hand is the HZO protected iPhone 5S that we have our coating on there. It's a clear, transparent coating, so we wouldn't even know it's there, but you can see that there's no corrosion and it's able to preserve the phone.
So, are you already in mass production in products?
Yes, we are. So here's an example of some of them here. We were featured on the Motorola Surround. It's new Bluetooth headphones that came out this year to help protect against sweat. Also the Nike Field Band we're featured on. The Navilite Wrist Compass. Then over here we have the Tolino e-reader Vision 2. This was a #1 e-reader in Europe, and we're also featured on the one that just came out, the Vision 3 as well.
Nice. So, is there another company, P2i? Are you similar or different technology?
It's actually completely different technology. Theirs is more of a changing the contact angle and making things hydrophobic. Ours is a physical barrier to keep the water away from the electronics. So the benefit of that is you can do prolonged submersion. These have been in all morning with no problems at all.
Is it a process where it's like you put in an oven and you can make it like this, or how do you make it compatible with your technology? How do you put it in there?
So what it is we work with manufacturers. We have equipment that has large chambers. So we would assemble a PCB into assembled board. We put it into a machine. The machine releases a gas. Then the gas forms a thin coating around all the circuitry of the device. And it's done at room temperature, and then you would finish the assembly of the device, basically putting on the outer shell. So all the protection is on the inside of the device, so even if water gets in through one of the ports, everything inside is protected.
And it stays on if you touch it later or you scratch it, does it make a hole in it?
No, yeah. I mean, if I scrape this really hard, it would come off, but I mean, again, it's all contained on the inside of the product, and so no problems whatsoever.
All right, so are you talking with a bunch of consumer electronics makers and they are interested?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we're still a pretty young company. We started around 2012, but I mean, we've made some great progress. This is a cool thing here. This is a Raspberry Pi computer that's been running our demo reel all morning since 9:30 this morning. All the coding is on here, and it's running our video right here.
Nice, and there's never any leaks or because if there's a small hole in it, it could be an issue, right?
Yeah, exactly. So we're able to help protect them. The coating that we use is very robust. It's able to keep water out and not let it in.
Cool. Could it be combined with the competing P2i, or it should be one or the other?
I mean, I guess you could. Ours just offers a very robust solution so that you can do things like prolonged submersion.
So in 2016, everything should be waterproof, right?
That's the goal. That's what we're shooting. We're shooting for an HZO protected world.
When you buy a Samsung, it should just be by default with all this.
Yeah, you should be able to put it in the water all day.